The problem we have is 138 times 43. So 3 times 8 equals 24. So since it is hexadecimal, you need to divide it by 16. 24 divided by 16 is 1, and then 1 times 16 equals 16. The remainder is 8. So 8 carry 1, and then we have 3 times 3 equals 9 plus 1 equals 10. So the value of 10 is A in hexadecimal. And then 3 times 1 equals 3. And then we have 4 times 8 equals 32. So 32 divide 16 is 2. 2 times 16 is 32. So 0 carry 2. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And the value of 14 in hexadecimal is E. And then we have last 4 times 1 is 4. And then add 8, bring down A plus 0 equals A. 3 plus E, which is 14, equals 17. So cannot be, so we need to divide it by 16. So 17 divide 16 is 1. 1 times 16 is 16 and 1. So 1 carry 1. And then 5. So 138 times 43 equals 5188 base of 16. How to solve division in hexadecimal? So B, the value of B is 11 and D is 13. So 13 divided by 11 is 1, and 1 times B equals B, and then minus. So 2, bring down 6, 26. So since it is decimal number, we need to convert it into hexadecimal. Let's convert it into hexadecimal. So 6 times 16 raised to the power of 0 equals 6 times 1 equals 6. And then 2 times 16 raised to the power of 1 equals 2 times 16 equals 32. 6 plus 32 equals 38. So the 26 in hexadecimal is 38. 38 divided by 11 is 3. And 3 times 11 equals 33. And then subtract. 38 minus 33 equals 5. And then bring down 8. And now let's convert it into hexadecimal. So 8 times 16 raised to the power of 0 equals 8 times 1 equals 8. 5 times 16 raised to the power of 1 equals 5 times 16 equals 80. And then add 8 plus 80 equals 88. And the hexadecimal of 58 is 88. So 88 divided by 11 equals 8, and then 8 times 11 equals 88, and then subtract and 0. So D 68 divided by B, which is 11, is equals to 138 base of 16.